Carpet was once the way to go, but carpet is one of the least do-it-yourself friendly options. Plus, it's difficult to keep clean, and the fibers hold dust and other allergens, which make life miserable for people with respiratory problems. And if you have pets, well, let's just say everyone will know you have pets before they see them. Hardwood flooring is a great alternative to address the issues of cleaning and allergens, but it isn't necessarily DIY friendly. Traditional hardwood is nailed down to the subfloor and sanded, stained, and finished in place. That requires a lot of work, a lot of time, and some very specialized tools. Some hardwoods can be glued down, which makes installation on concrete subfloors easier, and in many cases, these products are pre-finished, which reduces some of the time and tools required. But these installations still demand skills and tools that not all homeowners have. Laminate floating floors offer a similar look but are much more friendly to the do-it-yourselfer because they require no adhesives and very few tools. The fact that they are inexpensive makes them an easy choice for a lot of homeowners. Ceramic tile can also be inexpensive, and even though installation is a little time-consuming, it's very popular with do-it-yourselfers because it can deliver a high-end look on a modest budget.